How to fix Instagram notes not showing. In this video I will show you the correct way how to fix and solve this problem, so just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now, and first go and open your settings of your phone, and after this go and open apps or applications. Here, as you see, you have to search for Instagram. When you found Instagram, go to storage option right now and go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. And then go back and click on first tab and click OK. And what's next? The last things is you go into Play Store and update your Instagram if it's not updated. After this, go and restart your phone and then go and open Instagram, and you will find that your problem is solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.